Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. May peace be upon you. President Joe Biden's statement regarding the bombing of the hospital in Gaza was from a misfired Palestinian rocket is totally ridiculous and absurd. Why should there be any doubt that the blast of the Al-Ahli Arab hospital is from an Israeli airstrike? The murderous regime had been attempting to wipe Palestinians and Gaza out of existence since last week. In fact, Israel had been after the Palestinians all the time, if not wipe out the Palestinians altogether. For the past 70 years, and suddenly now, after launching airstrikes day and night, Israel blames Palestinians for the blast on the hospital. Biden's narrative is based on feedbacks from Netanyahu and the Pentagon. Obviously, Netanyahu lies about everything. And if Biden wants to use Pentagon to give credence to his narrative, we have not forgotten how Pentagon and other American institutions lied about the existence of weapons of mass destruction in Iraq. A more recent lie is about Biden claiming to have seen pictures of Hamas beheading babies. Indeed, the White House had withdrawn the statement, admitting that there was no proof of such a deed. The question is how Biden could blatantly lie in the first place and with a straight face. The crux of the matter is that all these atrocities committed by Israel on the Palestinians stems from the American support for Tel Aviv. If the American government withdraws its support for Israel and stops all military aids to the regime, Israel would not have carried out the genocide and mass murders of Palestinians with impunity. The United States government needs to come clean and tell the truth. Israel and its IDF are the terrorists. The United States is blatantly supporting terrorists. So what is the United States? Thank you.